Hello everybody, welcome back to Mogli Goes Fishing. I did fish a spot earlier this morning, a new pond that I found. I have this incredibly large ribbon tail worm. That's a rage tail. And I've also got a frog tied on. Not sure if you guys can see that, but it's a yellow and white frog. And while it does have some really tasty fish in there, was not able to get them to bite this morning. It's about 5 o'clock, I would think. Oh, it's about 4. No, it's 5 o'clock. And yeah, I'm about to go over here to the pond and try and whack some big fat sallies. Oh God, oh God. So dangerous. Ooh, ooh. One of these days I'm gonna break my neck coming down here. Okay, back to the pond, back to the pond. This fishing lure at this pond. So whoever you are, thank you for the super spook. It works a treat. All right, nothing. Let's get closer. It's time for my really pretty usury to get used. Gold, orange belly. Should stick out pretty good. Okay, over the top of those rocks. We're gonna go back into that pocket back there. Let's go. LFG. LFG. If they're not back in this pocket, then they're at the other end of the pond. And I will have to go for a walk. Does nobody want me? Dang. Freaking stick bass jumped out and bit me. Okay. They're not here. We're going to move. Oh, guys, I got one. Oh, he's hooked. Oh, he's under this grass. Let's go. Oh, come on. He's in there. Hello, grassy bass. Hello, my boy. Oh, dang. Look at that, guys. Barely got him hooked there. This hook just fall right out. Hello, buddy. He's a pounder. Yep. Not much to look at. But there's one. Skadoosh. Yeah. Nice. God, I got more weight and grass on that than I did the dang fish. Finally. That was a cool bite. Forgot to turn the camera on for that one. Sorry, guys, but got most of it right. That counts. All right, let's go. Got him. Oh, you little dink. Come here. Oh, look at that. Got him, guys. Dinky little fish. Little quarter pounder. Throw it some cheese, buddy. Get bigger. Drug is the drug. Ladies and gentlemen. The bug is the drug. So that's 2 on a worm. These guys might not be on beds yet. So I'm really not seeing any beds. Ooh, there's a good bass back there. Come on, Dinky boy. Grab the bug. He won't hurt you. Come on. Come on. Give me a little fishy. Come on. Give me a little fishy will do. All right. throw the bandito bug over here a little bit. Oh, I had a third. There we go. There's a big one. Yeah, buddy. I got you. I got you. He ain't bad. You got hooked bad. That's a terrible spot to have a hook in you. Let's try not to hurt him. All right. Number 3. Still quarter pounder, half pounder. Not a bad looking fish. He swam off really hard. He's good. Not bad, not bad. They'll eat bandito bugs. They'll eat worms. I really do want to toss that jerkbait around though. Yeah, sometimes this pond is really good to me. Sometimes it's not. This is one of those middle of the road kind of days. All right. Let's see if we can't get this jerkbait to get bit. Let's see if we can't get this jerkbait to get bit. What a wonderful sentence. I am such a wordsmith. Yes! First cast! Oh, he spit it out! Oh, he was big too. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Oh, I pulled my shoulder. Son of a bitch. Okay, okay. Calm it down here, Kyle. Calm it down. There we go. There he is. On the Yazuri jerkbait. Come here, buddy. Let's have a look at you. Oh, that's the biggest one today. That ain't bad, guys. That's a pounder. That is a pounder. All right, buddy. Go back. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Woo! 4 fish. Nice. He saw me. Nope, he won't bite. Let's get up out of here. A whole pack of bass below me here. Try not to be obvious that I'm throwing bait at him. Where is this rocks? Go, number 5. Oh. Number 6. Yeah, baby. Dinky boy. Whoop. So many dinks. Why are there so many dinks in the pond? How brave I am. Come on, dink. Give me that bucket thing. Number 6.